How to fix YouTube comments not showing problem. So if you want to fix your YouTube comments that are not showing, then first of all you have to open up your YouTube application and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now if you scroll down and just open any one of the video, then you can see that the comments are hidden. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you have to do is you have to go to the upper right corner which has your profile, and now you can head over to settings, and here you will have a bunch of options. So you can simply go to settings, and under settings here also you will have some options. So go to general, which is on the first, and before proceeding make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now if you want to fix your YouTube comments, then what you have to do is scroll down, and on the second option you will find restricted mode. So if your restricted mode is turned on, then you won't see the comments. So simply turn off that restricted mode, and if you go back, now you can see that you can read all of these comments. So that's it. That's how you fix your YouTube comments not showing problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.